Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to put your Lexus CT200h in neutral with a dead battery. First, locate the small shift lock release cover, usually found near the gear selector. Carefully use a small flathead screwdriver to pry this cover off. This action will expose the shift lock release mechanism, which is essential for moving the gear lever when there's no power. Now, with the cover removed, insert your screwdriver into the exposed shift lock release slot. While firmly pressing down on this release, and with your foot on the brake pedal, carefully move the gear selector from park into the neutral position. You should feel a distinct click as it engages. This bypasses the electronic lock. Before you begin, always ensure the parking brake is fully engaged to prevent unintended movement. If your vehicle is on any kind of incline, it's crucial to chock the wheels for added safety. Remember, once in neutral, the car can roll freely, so never release the brake pedal until you are absolutely certain the vehicle is secured. With your Lexus CT200h now in neutral, it can be safely moved or towed to a service location. Once the vehicle is in its desired spot, remember to immediately re-engage the parking brake to secure it. Finally, make sure to address the dead battery issue promptly to restore full functionality and avoid future inconveniences.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.